Hi guys, it's 6 p.m. the sun is down and I'm going to the garden to plant some Anchia. Alright, so this is my seedling and this is what I collected or I harvested already. So I'm going to remove some more because I want to plant something here. Actually I want to plant jama on this pot, so I'll just take out as much as I can. And I think it's gonna rain today, so I'm so excited about the rain. I want to take advantage of it and plant this one before it rains. I'm heading to the garden right now to plant it. Let me tell you guys a story. I just found an animal that has been eating my vegetables, right? Has been eating my njama. I'll not tell you what I did to it, but guess. Just guess what I did to the animal. It's been eating my vegetable and I'm wondering if we planted this thing together for it to just come and destroy like that. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Is this not wickedness? See? So I gave that animal such a punishment. But I want you to guess what I did to the animal. Tell me in the comment section. Alright guys, so now that I've gotten my seedlings, let's go to the garden and plant it. Alright, see you over in the other city where my garden is. Alright, so we are here at the garden and I'm very disappointed. It's not been raining and it's messing up my garden. Look at what I planted the last time. It's looking so ugly. Dry, miserable. Oh my goodness. Are we going to be able to eat anything from here this year? Guys, just look at my garden. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing. Oh my god. So I just have this one bed to plant and that's it. I'm done planting for the year. I've been looking for water leaf to plant forever. So if you have water leaf, please share with me. I'm willing to pay. I'm willing to buy it. If you have seedlings or just the stems to offer me, I'll be so grateful so I can plant right down there. A tree fell in my garden, so I need to cut it and throw it away. Alright guys, I need your help. What can I do? It's not raining and I water this like every morning and evening. It seems not to be enough. I should have harvested the vegetable by the huckleberry maybe 2 times by now. But look at what it looks like. My goodness. Alright, so I'll plant this bed and that'll be it. I'm done. If you have water leaf, please let me know in the comment section. I'm willing to pay for shipping for the stems or the seedlings. Alright guys, thank you. I actually needed to, mix the topsoil that we put because it was a lot on top and nothing underneath. So I just mixed that really quick and now I am planting. I think this is a little too close. When planting Anchia, you don't need to make it too close because when they grow big, their leaves are very large. I don't want them to not have space to grow, right? So you want to space them out a little bit. If you want to add something in between it, you can do that. All right, so I'll just plant a couple of them, and then I'll go off camera and plant really quick so that I can get out of here. It's getting late. So that's just how I plant my Anchia. I know it's not raining a lot, so it's going to bother me, but at least I might add huckleberry, garden huckleberry in between them, because I really want them to do good or to do well. So I'm giving them enough room to grow and expand. Okay guys, so you don't want them too packed. That's what I have, and I'll just continue planting until I finish up this bed. See you soon. I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm done planting the Anchia, and this is what it looks like. I have some corn in between. And I'm sure I'm going to add some garden huckleberry, like I said before, in between, because I don't just want to waste space, you know, like what I did here. I found some garden huckleberry growing here. You see the seedlings here, so I just transplanted them up here. So the tiny things that you see, that is the garden huckleberry, aka Jama. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So after planting, the last thing you do is make sure you water very well. Okay, I will just water it now manually, and then in the morning, if I'm not able to come here, I'm going to turn on the sprinkling system to water the garden. But right now I just need to water it really well, get the bed very soaked, okay, and I'll water again in the morning. So it's very important for you to water the plants after planting at least twice a day for the next 1 week. Okay guys, so that is it for today. The bed is very watered and it is moist. Okay, see, when I touch it, this is what I get. It's muddy, so it is good. And I'm going to come back in the morning to water again, just to get the plants to get rooted really quick. And yeah, that is it. I pray that it will do well. It will not look like it's in the desert like this other bed here. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you were able to learn something from it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share the video. It could be helpful to someone you know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to this channel and join the growing family. Okay guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.